Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to apply Revvi Credit Card on your PC. Revvi is subprime credit card that doesn't require perfect credit history to apply. To apply for Revvi Credit Card, first open any web browser available on your PC. I am using Google Chrome. Now go to your search bar and type www.revvi.com, then press on enter. With that, you'll be taken to Revvi's website. Now on the left side you can see the application box. You can directly apply from this section. So first you need to enter your first name on the given box. Then you can enter your middle initial on the given box. With that, enter your last name on the given box. Then enter your suffix on the given box. Now enter your email address on the given box. Then re-enter your email address on verify email address box. Note that your email address will be used to contact you. Now enter your street address on the given box. You can also enter your address line too. This is an optional choice. With that, enter your city. Then select your state by clicking on the state box. With that, enter your zip code on the given box. Now enter your phone number. You need to at least enter one of the phone number type. So make sure whether you enter your home phone number or mobile phone number on the given box. Now if you have an active checking account, then you can click on the yes option. If not, you can click on no. With that, if you are a US resident and over the age of 18, then click on the given box that you certify as one. With that, once view Progress Credit Marketers Privacy Policy and Infusion Strategies Marketers Privacy Policy, then click on the given box stating you like to receive physical and digital communication from Progress. After entering all your information, click on the option of Apply Now. Now, here you need to continue with the further application. First, provide your personal information. You need to first enter your date of birth, so click on month box and select your month. Click on day box and select your day. Click on year box and select your year. Now enter your social security number on the given box. Now re-enter your social security number on verify social security number box. With that, select your employment status by clicking on select. Then enter your employer name on the given box. Then enter your employer phone number on the given box. Now select how long have you lived at the current residence. So first select your year, then select your months. Note that you need to provide additional information if you have lived for less than 3 months on the given place. Now here you need to enter your financial information. First select how frequently do you get paid. Then enter your typical paycheck on the given box. Then enter when is your next paycheck. After doing so, enter the estimated monthly expense of yours. Now scroll down. Then view through all the terms and conditions. Now, if you like to accept the offer, click on the option of accept. If you decline the offer, you won't be able to continue with the further process of application. Now, here you need to answer the following question. If you use debit or credit card, click on yes. If you want to use the card for cash advance, then click on yes. If you like to add additional card holder, then click on yes. With that, you need to also provide additional information regarding the card holder. After providing all information, click on continue. Now here you need to choose your card. Now on the right side here you can see different of cards and their card designs. Click on the card design that you want. On the left side here you can see information you have entered. You can click on the option of edit info if you would like to edit any information. With that, now scroll down. Here you can see electronic communication disclosure. Once read through all statement and click on the circle stating I accept. Then view through how you received your statements. Click on the electronic form if you want to get it electronically, or if you want to send it through your mail, then click on mail option. Now here you can see important information and disclosures. View all the information by scrolling down. Now here you can see acknowledgements. Read through all acknowledgements and click on the box stating I further acknowledge by checking this box. With that, click on sign and submit. With that, your application will be processed. After application process, you need to pay certain amount of your fee as your Revvi program fee. It is a one-time cost that is of $95. This fee can also be paid in 3 installments, but you won't be able to use your card until the fee is paid. After completing your payment, you can finally submit your application. If your application is accepted, it will take few days for Revvi to review your application. After reviewing your application, you'll get notification through your mail or phone number. This is how we can apply Revvi credit card on PC. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you liked this tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.